Thinking about selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses? You've probably looked at both Etsy and Shopify. But which platform will actually make you more money? Let's break down the real numbers. Etsy is a massive marketplace with over 90 million built-in buyers. That built-in traffic makes it super easy to get your first sale without spending a dime on ads. But that convenience comes at a heavy cost. Etsy charges a 20-cent listing fee for every product, a 6.5% transaction fee, plus standard payment processing fees. Add in mandatory offsite advertising fees that can reach 15%, and Etsy can end up taking over 20% of every single sale. On the flip side, Shopify gives you full ownership over your brand, your domain, and your customer email list. You pay a simple monthly subscription, and with Shopify payments, you keep 100% of your sales revenue minus standard credit card fees. There are no surprise commission cuts or listing fees. So here is the ultimate verdict. If you're just starting out and want instant traffic without setting up a full website, start on Etsy to validate your product ideas. However, if you want to scale a serious, profitable business where you own your audience and maximize your profit margins, Shopify is the clear winner. Check the links in the description below to grab your $1 trial for Shopify and start building your digital storefront today.